we run? But my toe is injured.
Realize that there's no toilet bowl.
There's no toilet bowl.
Aloha!
Welcome back to another episode of Hotel Loha. Today we are at Andaz Hotel, which is a 5-star luxury hotel by Grand Hyatt in Bugis. Yes, we are back in Bugis again, obviously, and it's really near Assemblyclan this time as well.
This is actually the first Andaz hotel for Southeast Asia and designed by this renowned architect called Andaz.
Let's go!
So we just turn on the TV and it seems like there's a lot of channels because when we press right, it's like channel 40 already.
Very high def. How big is this room?
It's 409 square foot. I think it's about 400 per night, inclusive of GST and taxes. Yeah.
That's quite reasonable now. For this view and like the location as well. This is like nestled like very near Bugis, Kampong Glam and also Kallang if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Window is like from ceiling to floor and like I really like that a lot because like there's a lot of natural light. Yeah, and imagine like you just wake up and you see this view. Okay, now we are testing out how
Jamie seems very impressed by the chicken.
work-friendly this space is. I guess it's fine. There's like a PowerPoint over here, which is good for people who are on workations. I think it's increasingly getting quite popular, like booking a staycation to work. So this is really nice.
I like that they have a lot of wood elements. It gives a very like luxe feel because they have like
Yeah, I know what you mean,
Yeah.
but it's like there's a lot of wood and this is not something that we have really noticed in other hotels so far. Like everything has like a colour scheme to it. Like you see like the sofa, the table.
Okay, which one should we try? There is sheer and blind.
Should we try another sheer?
Ooh.
Let's see like after the day curtain comes down, how much like
Actually, it's okay. Just nice. I thought it would be like the whole
Yeah.
thing quite like opaque color, right?
Actually, it makes
This is
sense
nice,
because
yeah.
this feels like a work setup. So if like it's a workation and you're sitting here, this would make sense because not so much light will come through. So we have a full-length mirror, like from ceiling to ground, in the wardrobe area. It's really
Very convenient,
nice.
right?
Yeah, for you to like dress up and check out yourself and your fit. What's that?
Shoe compartment.
Oh, the shoe compartment.
Wow,
This one is so cute.
stolen from Andaz. This means that we have
Stolen from Andaz. So you can bring it home now, right? It's actually one thing I like about this room is that right, the way they design their drawers and their cupboards, right, it's very space efficient.
So we just realized that there's no toilet bowl in this room, so we need to find it.
Okay, yes.
I can't believe we didn't even notice.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, I don't know.
We pretty much walked through like every single part.
Yeah.
Where's
There's no toilet bowl.
It's so obvious about it.
Wait.
This wall is damn
Is it-
dubious, right?
No, but it's legit a wall though. Wait, this is so strange. I'm very confused. Ah.
Oh my god! Wow! It even has its own sink.
That's
Very nice.
bed also.
What's this though?
Oh, this is like. Okay.
Mystery
Yeah.
solved. We found the toilet. It's here.
I think this is very clever, but at the same time, right? It's a bit.
Imagine if you just check in and then
Yeah, then you don't know where's the toilet.
and you're really very urgent. You'll be like.
Then you need to go down. Now we are at Haji Lane and the producer has a challenge for us. We don't know what it is, so
Find 4 landmarks. It could be a street art or place within Kampong Glam. These landmarks are located within a circle. Okay, so there's a
She
map
does the
over
map.
here for us.
Not so bad.
There are 2 clues and 1 helpline that can help you find these landmarks. The first clue will be given to you, but the second has to be won through a game with the game master. Who's the game master?
Producer.
You? You? Okay. You can only use the helpline after using both routes. First person to reach the final location wins the challenge. Loser of the challenge will have to
Penalty?
suffer. This word very serious. Suffer. Suffer a penalty of waiting there the next day. Okay lor. Okay, built in 1840 by Sultan Ali, the son of Sultan Hussein Shah, and was refurbished in 2004 to its current state. So it will be the Sultan Mosque. 不可以讲这样大声 later she hear it. Should we run? But my toe is injured. 我们 just like 很平静的 overtake them. Okay, let's go.
So if I guess correctly, the first location is the Sultan Mosque. So let's go. First guess was wrong, and I think my next guess is the Malay Heritage Center. So this is where I think the first landmark is. Is it correct? Yay! Okay. So we are now at the Malay Heritage Center, and this place actually has 6 galleries in it, and along with a lot of cultural activities that you can participate in. So feel free to come here if you haven't. So apparently, right, this place used to be where the Malay royalty stayed in Singapore.
The crew says you may say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm the only one.
Oh, your food's a bit difficult.
Currently, I just Google like wholesale, then weird things come out. Hey, okay. Oh, it's really a song, eh? Let's listen to the song while we eat the croissant. I need to get a clue.
Is it called Stay? I did it! Okay, that's the only song I know from Justin Bieber that's on TikTok. This is really hard. I'm just gonna walk around and see, okay? So let's just go that way then. I think I know where it is. Really? Started. If I'm not wrong. Am I right? This one kind of a street of people looking over me. This one. Because it's literally people looking around. It's like song lyrics, right?
Oh my god, it's moving at a very fast pace. Which one is it? This one. It's really interesting because like you might have walked like this street like many times, but you wouldn't have noticed that if you didn't look up in the sky. I think it's a very interesting perspective. This is a nice place. A mural with the Singapore flag.
We are going to go to our third location, and it's gonna give me clue. So the clue is a mural with the Singapore flag. Actually, you get a second clue. The second clue says an old man in a turban or a samsui woman. I still don't know. Let's just go and walk. I don't know. We bump into Jade. That should steal my clue. I found it on Google. Is this cheating? So we couldn't find the location. I think the original cafe that had the mural has been closed and now refurbished, so it doesn't seem to exist anymore. So we're gonna move on to the fourth location. So the final location clue is a popular eatery established in 1908. Okay, let me reference to my map. There's actually a few eateries here, so I'm just gonna guess.
To be honest, right, I have a feeling that it's Indian cuisine.
Final location clue number 2 starts with Z. This one really too easy already. It's the Zam Zam restaurant. Okay, let's go there now.
Long distance relationship.
This is going fast. I guess I lost. It's over there.
Okay, so we have finished our challenge and now we are back in our hotel room.
Finally.
Yeah, finally. It's like so long. It's like the longest challenge ever,
Yeah.
right? 真的是要我们的命. Oh my god. So right, now we have like some food in front of us. Don't know why.
It's another challenge.
So back to back. I want to feedback.
Okay.
Challenge to guess the prices of each food item bought at Zam Zam. So Zam Zam is this Muslim food place which is established in 1908. So it feels like wow, very established,
Yeah.
right? A point will be given to the person who guesses the correct the exact price or closest to the actual price. The person who has the most points at the end of the challenge wins, and the loser will have to suffer a penalty awaiting them the next day. 这个 suffering, yeah lor. Can open some ba? Yeah. So this dish is mutton chop. It has fries, peas, eggs, and mutton. Yeah. So yeah, shall we begin? Let's try first.
I think, as in, we're supposed to guess. Try to guess.
Oh, try. I thought
You want to
try. No.
Yeah, really.
I'm gonna be honest, huh? Really? Oh my god! This one
mutton soup.
Yeah. I'm just thinking like this is like $9. Oh really?
We're twinning.
Is Kali with the same again? If it's the same again, then crew has to do the forfeit.
Yeah.
Oh, the team has to do the forfeit. Wrong. If the same
Are
DP
we
do the
very
forfeit,
far
ah.
off? Like super far off. Oh man.
Closer. This is a $10 and this is $6.
$6.
Can we dig a bit and see what's inside?
$6. This one is.
That's really cheap.
Oh, you finish it. This is chicken murtabak.
It looks very delicious. Actually, it looks like a dish that I would choose among all these.
Like
1, 2, 3. Oh no! $6? Oh my! I put $6.90. So we have 2 drinks over here. This one is Hey Chino Ice.
so cute. It's like a tea cappuccino.
And what's this? Bandung. We start with the Hey Chino Ice. I think it's more expensive than bandung, but not just
Yeah,
like
right.
放那个 syrup, right? What are you laughing about? Hungry already?
Hungry.
1, 2, 3. Wow, 350我不会买耶，很贵耶。Oh no!
Christ.
How much is this? Oh, that's quite cheap. Now I feel like 那个 bandung might be more expensive than that. The way he laughed just now, right? Okay. No, I'm not. Okay. Oh my god. Our challenge has ended, and 我们的 Natasha will be doing a
failed.
forfeit tomorrow. I have a see first, okay? This forfeit, I can watch you right from the comfort of my bed. It is to
Let me push it.
not, but they ask you to wake up at 8 AM and swim 5 laps in the hotel swimming pool.
Birthday one, right?
Yeah,
I don't like
must
to
be.
wake up early.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah. Okay lah, I'll see you at 8 AM, okay? Yeah, I'll be like, everybody, good morning. Let's call Natasha now. Wake up 1 5 laps, right? 回去睡觉。
So it is 8 PM and I'm going to swim because the producers made me do this. I swear I cannot. Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm gonna try to swim with my head above the water so that I don't have to wash my hair again. Finally done. I think keeping my head above the water was the hardest part. I'm so tired. Now I'm gonna go up, wash up, and then we're gonna eat some breakfast. Bye!
Okay, it's like morning already. She just went for a swim.
Yeah. So tiring. Now we're gonna have breakfast. It was very cold.
Yeah, really ah.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
Okay lah, let's have a good breakfast to 补偿她一下。
Yeah. So now we're just selecting what we wanna order.
They have like Western specialties, your usual eggs band. They
Also like a lot of local stuff as well.
Oh my god, it's really brioche bun. Like a brioche
So good.
texture.
Rich broth. Spicy one. I like spicy.
Do you like ham though? You don't like it? Huh? 吃laksa 没有 ham 有什么意思
I don't like.
If you have prawn, I can accept that.
No, yeah, a lot of laksa don't have prawn, right? Just the tofu.
Actually, if you don't have ham, then you must have laksa. But this
Don't
laksa
have ham,
has...
must have laksa.
If you don't have ham, must have prawn, yeah.
But this one got quail egg. Yeah, really good.
Let me try.
Right, a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
I think it's nice that they have a lot of different cuisines for you to choose from, and just because they have a lot of cuisines doesn't mean that they compromise on the taste and the flavors as well. And like, I feel that every single dish has a lot of thought put into it.
So now we're just gonna proceed with our breakfast.
Yes.
Already cannot wait already.
Then we will give you a more detailed review later
yeah.
on.
Yep, that's right.
Bye bye. So now we are back in the hotel room and we are going to give you our verdict of this hotel.
About what we feel about the
Yeah.
food, the amenities, the room, and the service. So shall we begin? How was your sleep yesterday?
Actually, it was pretty good. I mean, I felt that the bed was firm enough and soft enough as well at the same time. But the pillows were a bit thin.
A bit thin. Okay, but they gave 4.
Yeah, so for me it's
So
fine.
I made like a mini
Yeah.
fortress myself also. Shower wise, I felt like the water was a little bit not responsive for me. I don't know if
Took
it's
a bit
for
long
you.
to
Oh,
warm
yeah.
up.
Alright. Like for me, I really like hot baths. So yesterday I was literally like standing there and waiting for the water and checking every few moments. Yeah. But eventually the hot water still came lah, so it was not too bad.
I like that they had a cap of 40 degrees so that if you wanted like a hot bath, you won't accidentally like scald yourself. So
Yeah.
it's a great safety precaution.
Okay, our location is
It's very
fantastic.
good, yeah.
Super near the MRT.
Near town, near Suntec, Raffles, a lot of places around here.
Yeah, we can even see Bugis Plus from here and the National Library. Or maybe if you just like want like kind of like a really good view of the entire like skyline over here in Singapore, this is like a perfect spot.
So yesterday during the challenge, we actually went to Haji Lane, which is about a 5-minute walk from here, and there's actually a lot of like historical landmarks as well.
Haji Lane is like full of colour and flavour. It's really nice.
There's also a lot of eateries around there as well.
Yeah, you could also revisit like the spots that the challenge brought us to, which was really quite interesting. Actually, the food was like one of the best things here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I really
other than like the
food.
challenge, the location.
It was a very big spread of food as well.
They even have like juice. Yeah, and the juice is not like your usual apple orange juice. They had like this like detox
Yeah,
juice that
and
was really
smoothies
quite
also.
legit lah, right? And the laksa, it was
Yeah,
really
producer
good.
didn't really like it, but I liked it because it was
Yeah.
very spicy.
Food wise, it was really quite good. Yeah.
Yeah.
The spread itself was already quite impressive. Then now we will talk about the service. Service wise, I feel that it can be
Improved
slightly
a little
improved
bit.
lah. Can be a
Yeah.
little bit more attentive. For example, you were trying to book a slot for
Yeah, for the pool
swimming
this
pool, right?
morning.
Yeah, so it took a little while, and
I had to
eventually
call back a few times just to get, because they told me that they would get back to me, but they didn't. Probably because they were busy.
How was the challenge though? Do you feel like 5 laps very no kick?
Okay, actually, I feel that I made the challenge harder for myself because right, I didn't want to wet my hair, so I swam with my head above the water like a turtle or something. Yeah, it was actually very tiring.
Is that why everyone is looking at you? Not
Yeah,
for time
maybe.
Okay, so we've come to the end of our stay. We really enjoyed ourselves and
Hope you guys enjoyed the episode too.
and this hotel is
Hotel Loha approved. If you liked our video, please like, comment, and subscribe to us.
Yep,
And follow us on our Twitter and Instagram.
yeah, and suggest more challenges and penalties that we can possibly do. And yeah, we'll see you next time round. Bye.